Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel N+CO Labs. So today's video we will talk about looping, Python episode 3, looping. So in looping there's four things. First is for, second is continue, third is while, and last one is break. Or no, you don't have to say it like that. That's just the inside of looping in Python. I think there's more though, if I'm not mistaken. So first, let me explain you this for. So before, if you don't understand here, I use I equals the index, or you can use any letter actually. So yeah. So I print loop for 1 until 10. So for index in the range of 1 until 10. So you may be asking, why is this 11? That's a fair question. So in Python, if you wanted 1 until 10, you have to add an extra number. So pretty much it's like 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why you have to it will start from 0, so you have to add another one. So if you change it to 10, it will go to 9 only, pretty much. So yeah. So print the I. So that's that. Let's run the program, and boom, it will print out loop for 1 until 10, and it will print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty much just like that. It's pretty simple for this topic, looping. So yeah. So now this one, we're gonna use 3 of them, is for break and continue. So print looping for 1 until 10 with break. So for the index in the range of, again, 1 until 11, which is 1 until 10, if the index equals to 5, continue the counting, continue the number. But I put again, if the index equals to 9, it will stop. This part of the program. So it will stop until 8 only. So if the index equals to 9, it will break. So it will stop. But if you put this in other things, it won't stop the whole program. It will just stop at this part only. So yeah. So print I. So look, looping for 1 until 10 with break. So it will only print 8. And you may notice that there's no 5, because if I is 5, continue. So the 5 will be ignored. So it will just continue the numbers pretty much. Okay. So, and this one is the while one, pretty much the last one. So print looping while 1 until 5. So we start with the number equals to 1. So we start with 1. So while the number is less or equals to 5, I will print number. So we print number 1 here, and it will plus until it meets the requirement we ask it to be, less or equals than 5. So it has to be 5. But if you're more, so it will be more than 5 pretty much. So yeah, pretty much like that only. And I added an extra here. So print and even numbers 1 until 20. So total equals to 0. So we start off with 0 here. Okay, so for index in range of 1 until 20, or here is 21, if I percentage of 2 equals to 0, it will print out even numbers, but there's gonna be a difference. If you add continue here, it will print out, it should be back here. Oh no, it should be here. Oh no, that's right. So if you add this, it will print out odd numbers instead of even numbers, because it will ignore the even numbers. So yeah. So total plus equals the index pretty much. So print if the number of even numbers equals the total. So the number of even numbers 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 42, 56, 72, 90 until 100. So it's pretty much like that. So pretty much that's it for this topic pretty much. So yeah. I hope you guys found this interesting and useful. And if you guys want to copy the code, just pause the video here for the for, and then this is for the break, and this is for the while, and this is for the study case. So that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys follow these episodes because it's the basics of Python. So if you're new to Python, you can just follow my videos. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my content here, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video and share the video also. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. So goodbye, see you in the next video. Bye bye.